when I say so, I'm all over her body like.
What's good with y'all YouTube? You know, I ain't been here in a long time, you know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't been here in a long time. But listen, I got a video for y'all today. Then, you know what I'm saying, some slight. You wanna get the hoes? I got the trick for you. Alright, so look, I'm gonna just get straight to it. When I was young, I didn't even say when I was young, but the last couple years, man, bro, my hair has been a fucking struggle. Like when I tell y'all, I lost hella females because of this shit. I went bald down there.
Shiny bald-headed people everywhere.
I lost all type of hair. It was a struggle, man. I was down there from cry, man, but I am. But listen though, we good. We back. We getting the length. My shit growing. Y'all see a little shake, a little something. But listen, y'all. I'm about to tell y'all the 2 products I've been using to get my shit right. If you want to get your shit right, I'm about to show y'all. Okay, so look. Before I show y'all, y'all see the curls, man. Y'all see the curls. Like this is straight black people hair, man. Straight black people hair, man. You can get your shit like this too. And I'm finna show y'all how. I'm finna show y'all, man. Alright, so look. We got Sunny Isle. Sunny Isle, man. It's that extra dark. You feel me? Extra dark. You wanna check the dark skinned girls with big booties? This the way to go. Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. But hey, that extra dark Jamaican man, that Jamaican, that black pastor, oh boy, that shall do so to your hair, boy. But listen, y'all gotta get some of this though. Real shit. This shit like $10. You can get it from Walmart, Target, any hair store for real. Man, y'all familiar with the Cantu. I'm gonna say one thing about this though. Like, I used to use this all the time, and my hair was doing good. But one of my friends, she told me like, don't use it because it builds up in your head, and if you don't wash your hair regularly, it can like stop your shit from growing. And let me see, I got one more thing for y'all. Okay, I don't use this every day, but this is what I was using. Just without these, without these, I was just using this to keep my hair moisturized. Feel me? So that's a good product too. But you know, I'm gonna show y'all what I do. So basically, of course, my stuff's already, you know, it's already there. But you want to grab this, pour it in the cap. Actually, no. Before you pour this in the cap, you want to kind of lean your head over the sink and just pour it, but like let it like slow drip into your head. Don't like pour the whole shit in there because then you're gonna have an oily ass head. But do that, and then once you get the top part and the side, you want to grab your cap, put your head all the way down like this, and kind of like so you can get it back there. All right, so then after you do that, you want to, of course, you know, rub your head in, you know. Get it all in there. You're gonna see the difference of your hair as soon as you do that. Okay, and then this is the activator. This is what's gonna make your hair look like, you know, you're gonna get that drip. That drip. You're gonna get that drip. Oh yeah, by the way, y'all, look, so don't ever try to line yourself up. It's hard times, it's Corona, man. I try to line myself up, give myself a little nuggie. Good thing I got a method, so you feel me, it's gonna go right over that. So ain't nobody gonna be able to see it. It's cool though, it's cool, it's all good. We still jumping. But yeah, you get the castor oil, put that on your head, you get this, you wanna squirt probably like your whole hand worth of this. Not like a whole bunch, but a whole bunch. Like you want your hair to be wet still, okay? So after you do that, your hair gonna look like this, man. It's gonna look like this. It should be able to like it ain't working if your hair don't do this. If your hair don't do that, it ain't working. So look, after y'all do that, if you have twists in your head and you want it to stay down so it don't like come up, because you know our hair shrink as it get wet, or if it's because our hair is curly. So look, that's when you get this. We call it a do-rag. I don't know what y'all call it, but this is my do-rag. Okay, little rag. So look, what you gonna do? Hold on. Alright. Okay. So hold on. Put that motherfucker on like this. Alright, so this the hard part. So look, you wanna kinda like grab these. Grab them like that, right? So they like down. So grab them down, kind of stick them like that, and then you put your hand right here. And then, hold on, make sure this. Alright, so look. You're gonna put this on. And how y'all put y'all do-rags on there? Cause I've been taught this way. You just put it to the back. I see everybody with their shit like tied to the front. Let me know in the comments what y'all be doing. Alright, so look. You'll make sure you pat this down so your hair can like, feel me? Make sure this is tucked down. Okay, so this is the part you get it to stay down. You see how these come out? You want to pull them down. Just pull it. Like, hold on. Just pull all the, try to grab all the hair that's like at the end. Oh shit. Okay. We getting somewhere, alright. Just grab all these hairs. All the little twists sticking out. Feel me? And every time you pull it out, you want to pull the do-rag or whatever you use down on it so it can kind of like trap it under, so it has no, you know what I mean? It ain't got no choice but to lay down. You know what I mean? This is the side I really need to pull it out. Get that down. Alright, hold on. We get there. Alright, so we back. That took longer than expected, but you feel me? We done. Alright, so I'm like kind of get the camera show you. Alright, so look. You just want to have them hang down like this. You feel me? You're all good. Just fall asleep, go to sleep like this, and everything should be cool. You feel me? When you wake up, they're gonna be like this. It's not gonna have no choice but to lay down. But hey, this is what y'all shit gonna look like if you use natural hair moisturizer corrector. And then that extra dark. My thirsty now, ladies. But nah, I'm just gonna tell you. Listen though. Make sure y'all subscribe, comment, let me know if this worked for y'all. You feel me? I just started doing this not too long ago. I wanted to share with y'all. But yeah, especially if you've been struggling with your hair. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. So let me know, subscribe, like, comment. Lonnie, move it out.
What's wrong, fuck? We can make history. I told her to pull up at 5, but she showed up at 3. She just wanna thug, she wanna be loved. Fucking that bitch on the rug.